Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time for some practical Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。你知道吗？我们这个常常会讲一句话叫酸甜苦辣。
对呀。
Okay, these are the 4 tastes in Chinese, and it really describes the ups and downs of life. 可能它是在描述说人生有酸甜苦辣那种感觉了哦。But in reality, 当然呢，它也是美食的4种味道了，
对，
对不对？
食物有辣的、酸的、有苦的。
Yes, the Chinese love to use these tastes to describe certain things. So let's go ahead and teach you how to say different tastes in Hakka. 这种味道到底用客家话要怎么说？
好，
坦白讲，我只能吃小辣而已。所以有的时候吃麻辣火锅太辣了，就哦，好辣，好辣，快点给我水啊，这样子。So spicy, give me some water.
冻辣，
冻辣 that means 好辣，好辣 that means very spicy.
姜拿水本奶，
姜拿水本奶就是拿水。给我这样子。Okay, that means hurry up and give me some water, all right? Another taste that gets people is when it's too sour. 有的时候呢，另外一个味道就是酸，太酸的时候也会那种
牙齿痛的感觉。
对，这个柳丁好酸哦，这样子。This orange is so sour.
鸭杂，柳丁，冻酸。
Okay, that means 柳丁 is the orange is so sour. 冻酸。
对。
现在很多人很喜欢吃芒果嘛，对不对？昨天买到的芒果好甜，好好吃哦。The mango that I bought yesterday is so sweet, and I want to share with friends. So I want to say.
草本葉，
買嘅。反酸，
凍甜，
凍好食咯，就很好吃咯，这样子对不对 ？Okay, so that whole line means, the mangoes that I bought yesterday were really sweet. Mango 芒果就是反酸，and then very sweet 很甜，
凍
甜。
然后海陆腔的芒果发音有点不像。
Okay, a different dialect for mangoes. 蒜呢，这样好像是。沾蒜头的鹅肉啊，蒜呢
就是芒果
就是芒果的意思。Okay, different dialect. Finally, okay, we've taught bitter 苦，所以的话说咸蛋炒苦瓜一点都不苦。
鹹鴨卵，炒苦瓜，一啲咧都唔會苦。
And there you have it. Those are the tastes in Hakka. And that does it for today's practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
漢字say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.